In this video, we'll explore the differences between 2-hour firewalls built with UL Design V335 and an example of a 2-hour rated design using a spray-on fire retardant. Here we see an example of the materials used in the construction of UL Design V335, a 2-hour rated wall using D-Blaze lumber and plywood. Design V335 has a finish rating of 52 minutes. The finish rating is defined as the time at which the wood stud or wood joist reaches an average temperature rise of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Some other designs are labeled as 2-hour walls, but there's important distinctions you should know about. Here is an example of a 2-hour wall built using a fire retardant spray or coating on the oriented strand board, also known as OSB. This design is shown to be a 2-hour rated wall, but it has a finish rating of only 23 minutes. This design was evaluated using a load design method, other than the limit states or working stress design method, meaning it may take 2 hours to burn through the wall, but the wall is no longer stress-bearing. This wall may no longer be structurally sound. This wall's structural stability after half an hour could mean the potential total loss of the building it supports. It may even jeopardize adjoining buildings either through fire damage or structural damage. Let's put up a timer and watch a visual representation of how Design V335's 2-hour rated wall compares to one of these other 2-hour walls that use a fire retardant spray or coating. As you can see, Design V335 using D-Blaze is still structurally sound while also containing the fire to the one apartment unit. The FR spray design wall has already lost its structural stability. The load-bearing wall is susceptible to collapse and has not only caused serious damage to the unit on fire, but also damaged the adjoining building and allowed the spread of the flame. The apartment built with D-Blaze is still contained to the first building. Both Building A and B are built with Design V335, meaning each building has a 2-hour firewall facing one another. This is essentially a 4-hour firewall.
There are several other construction concerns to consider as well. D-Blaze plywood with the fire retardant weight factored in weighs 44 pounds, while fire retardant coated OSB can weigh over 60 pounds.
According to Section 5A1, the suggested OSHA weight limit for a single-person lift is 51 pounds. D-Blaze's pressure-treated wood does not require patch kits if wood is chipped or nails are driven too deep. With fire-retardant sprays or coatings, you must not break the coating or you risk exposing the combustible core of the wood. If nailing, nail guns must be set properly, and nail heads must be flush with the wood and cannot penetrate below the surface. There's a reason so many well-known builds, like One World Trade Center, Willis Tower, the NASCAR Hall of Fame, the Texas Ranger Stadium, and the Navy Pier all trusted D-Blaze with their construction. To learn more about D-Blaze and UL Design V335, visit us at treatedwood.com.